One day in my neighborhood, last Saturday, I woke up early and decided to take a walk around my neighborhood. The sun was shining, and the weather felt perfect for spending time outside. I put on my shoes, grabbed my phone, and walked out of the house with a smile. As I walked down the street, I saw children riding their bikes and playing with a ball. Many neighbors were working in their gardens, planting flowers and watering the grass. The air smelled fresh, and everything looked calm and peaceful in the morning light. I stopped by the small park that is only a few blocks from my house. There were families sitting on benches, talking and laughing while watching their kids play. Some people were walking their dogs, and others were jogging around the park trail. The trees were green, and birds were singing in the branches above. I sat on a bench and watched the world around me, enjoying the quiet moment. It felt nice to slow down and see how beautiful my neighborhood really is. After resting in the park, I walked to the bakery near the corner of my street. The smell of fresh bread and sweet pastries made my mouth water right away. I bought a warm croissant and a cup of juice, and I sat outside to eat. A friendly old man at the next table smiled and told me a funny story about the town. We talked for a few minutes, and I enjoyed listening to someone who knew the area so well. It reminded me that small conversations can make your day feel special. Before going home, I passed by the library and saw a sign about a weekend book fair. I went inside and looked at books for children, teenagers, and adults on big tables. I bought a short story book in English to help me practice reading at home. The librarian was kind and said I could join a reading club if I wanted to. Walking back home, I felt happy about the little things I had done that day. It was just one day in my neighborhood, but it was full of peace, joy, and connection.